In this video, we will discuss a topic from statistics from the chapter of measurement of center tendency. Already we are having a lot of video from the chapter of measurement of center tendency. We have learned what is mean, what is mode, what is median and how to calculate these items. In this video, we are going to discuss how missing frequency can be calculated if the mean value is given. Already we have a video on the missing frequency in which model value was given and median value was given and we calculated 1, 2 or 3 frequency. In this video we will having one case in one frequency is to be calculated and second case when the two frequency is to be calculated when the mean value is given. So firstly I am having a question. Suppose my question is x 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23 and last maybe 23 to 25. So frequency is given the 369, 13, then missing, then 5 and 4 and arithmetic mean is given 18. We have to calculate the missing frequency. The class interval is given 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23 and 23 to 25. The frequency which is given 3, 6, 9, 13 and 5, 4. We have to calculate the frequency that is missing. Suppose this frequency is x. So mid value for x 11 plus 13 divided by 2 12, 14, 16, then 18, 9, 40 divided by 2 20, 44 divided by 2 22, 46 divided by 2 20, 48 divided by 2 24. So the very first we calculated the mid value here. Then for getting fx, because x bar is equal to sigma fx divided by sigma f, the formula for that is, so we will firstly calculate the value of xx, that is 36, 4, 84, 4, 144, 13 multiplied by 8, 234, 20x, 110, 96. So we will having the total of both items. For getting the arithmetic mean is given 18, x bar is given, already we are given value of x bar is equal to 18. So the very first we will calculate this 9, 9, 18, 31, 40. So that will be 40 plus x. And this frequency, the total of this is equal to 704 plus x. 704 plus 20x. Okay. So value of x bar is equal to 18. That is 704 plus 20x divided by 40 plus x. So 18 multiplied 40 plus x is equal to 704 plus 20x. Okay. So 720 plus 18x is equal to 704 plus 20x. 720 minus 704 is equal to 20x minus 18x. So that is 16 is equal to 2x. So value of x is equal to 8. It means our missing frequency, the frequency which is missing is 8. So if arithmetic mean is given, we can calculate the missing frequency by using this formula. We are using just direct method of calculating the arithmetic mean. X bar is equal to sigma fx divided by sigma f. Then we put the value of sigma x and sigma fx divided by this and we are getting this. Suppose the two missing frequencies over there. Suppose this is 8. Already we have calculated. Now we are making two missing frequency in the same question. So the total is 48. Suppose this missing frequency and this missing frequency. This both missing frequencies over there. So value of x bar is given 18. If in such kind of the condition we have to calculate the two missing frequencies over there, x bar given, class interval given, the missing frequency is 2. So the very first what we will do, we will having 48 minus 6 minus 9 minus 8 minus 4, it means 48 minus 27, that is 21. It means the missing frequency, addition of the missing frequency 53, 3 is also 48 minus 9 and 9 18, 19 20 30 is given. So missing frequency is 18. Firstly we will say 48 is given, and among this 48, 3, 6, 9, 8 and 4, 30 is given. So we have two missing frequency, the total of both two is 18. So suppose if I keep that this is x, then I have to write here 18 minus x, because we know the addition of this and this is 18. From this, what we have done, 48 minus given 3 minus given 6 minus given 9 minus given 8 minus given 4, that is 18. It means addition of two missing frequencies 18. If we are suppose this is x, then this will be 18 minus x, because addition of this and this is 18. We can keep here x and y also, then we will having the equation of x and y and we will solve that equation, but that is lengthy method. So I am keeping first one x, second one 18 minus x. So the very first we have done, these are the two missing frequency. Now we will having mid value, the same mid value is over there, that is 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. And multiply by f guna x, 6 guna 14, 84, 96 guna 9, 144, just we calculated, that is 18x, that is 160, that is 18 multiply 22, 18 multiply 22, that is 396 minus 22x, then 96. So the very first we will add this, the addition 36 plus 84 plus 144 plus 160 plus 396 plus 96. So that will be 916 minus 4x, 18 minus this, and this is 48 already given. So x bar is equal to sigma fx divided by sigma f. The value of x bar is given 18, that is 916 minus 4x divided by 48. So what we will do, 48 multiply by 18, that is 854. 18 multiply 48, that is 916 minus 4x, 854 is equal to 916 minus 4x. Submitting here, 4x is equal to 916 minus 854. So 4x is equal to 52. 16, 916. So the value of x is equal to 13. Already we now that here 13 was over there. So the second one will be second 18 minus x, it means 18 minus 13, that is 5. So the two missing frequency, first missing frequency was 13 and second missing frequency was 5. So if you are having two missing frequency also, we can calculate if arithmetic mean is given. Again we are having another one question to solve the missing frequency in arithmetic mean. To save the time, sometimes we have to use the calculator because the video have the limit and we can't be having so long video. I am having another one question for missing frequency, that is x 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. Suppose this is our question. The frequency which is given, that is 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6 and 8. This is given 2, 4, 6 and 8. Missing frequency is over there. The value of x bar is given 20.5. The value of x bar value is given 20.5. Okay. So the very first we have to calculate the mid value, that is 10 plus 5 divided by 2. Suppose this is x, missing frequency is x. So that is 7.5, that is 12.5, that is 17.5, that is 22.5 and that is 27.5. So multiplication of x guna fx, this will be x and f, that is 15. That is 50. 17 multiply 6, that is 105. That is 22.5 x. And last one, the multiplication is 2 to 0. So we will add this. So addition of fx is equal to 390 plus 22.5x. And addition of this 6 or 4, 10, 12, 18, 20 plus x. So x bar is equal to sigma fx divided by sigma f. This is the formula for the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is given 20.5. X bar given 20.5. Sigma fx is given 390 plus 22.5x and sigma f is given 20 plus x. By putting the value 20.5 is equal to 390 plus 22.5x divided by 20 plus x. So 20.5 multiply 20 plus x, that is 390 plus 22.5x. So very first we will multiply 20, that is 410 plus 20.5x is equal to 390 plus 22.5x. So 410 minus 390, that is 22.5x minus 20.5x. Okay. So we are getting here 20 is equal to 2x. So value of x is equal to 10. So that will be our missing frequency. The value of missing frequency will be 10. So if in arithmetic mean problem any kind of the missing frequency is given, we can calculate with the help of this. You should go through with this video 1 or 2 times. Certainly you will know how to calculate missing frequency in a case when the arithmetic mean is given. Thank you.